Hello beautiful souls, I am Awakened Soul, and today we're going to be reviewing the market, and I'm going to show you what I usually look for as I wait for my confirmation to take place. So I just concluded this BTC video and I did post it on my YouTube if you haven't seen it. And this was the chart that I got out of, and I'm waiting for this range to be broken to the downside. And a confirmation of that break would be at 22,285 with my 12 and my 26 EMAs turning, and my target would be 21,337. If that doesn't play, we have this flag that could be play out, and I did do a measure move based on this flag pull, and that would give me a target of 25,318. That also correlates with our weekly high. Okay, so just keeping eye on it. I have my alarms. We'll be patient, because who's not to say they're gonna keep us here for a while. Okay, so as I'm waiting patiently for my next trade, I want to show you that keeping a good eye on the NASDAQ, and you could either choose. I do NASDAQ, I do the S&P, the Dow Jones, and the Russell. And I just added gold to my chart too. Anyways, within the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, I have this cup and handle that I had previously noted. I have a measure move with the target of 12,788. We are continuing to the upside, even though we had this nice drop. If you look in the 6 hour, you can see that we are trending up. A good alarm to set is on your 4 hours highs and lows. So we have confirmed new highs. So for it could definitely roll to the bottom, and if we cross 11,308, we're good for the short. Till then, I still see that uptrend. Okay, so now let's go to the S&P 500. Within the S&P 500, I have my weekly range. Within the weekly range, I have my 4 hour highs and lows marked. I'm just trying to see what if maybe this is a channel here, like a rising wedge or something. Oh, there you go. See, sometimes you just have to look at the charts. That looks like a rising wedge on the S&P 500. So we have created new highs. So it is in the uptrend. 6 hours, you could view it nicely. So just keep an eye on it. Now that we know this is a new low, you could set an alarm here, and if it breaks this new 4 hour low, you consider that short. And the reason I keep a good eye on the broader market is because sometimes they'll create those first moves that will help you as indicator to see where the possibility or the potential move is next on cryptocurrency or BTC, whatever you're trading. So if the S&P, the NASDAQ is moving up, guess what? Cryptocurrency is moving up. They are correlated to each other. So keep an eye on those indices. And the next three they move opposite of BTC. And I think it's really good to take note of it. So we have our US government bonds. The US government bonds moves opposite to cryptocurrency, to the stock market. So chart it out. I've been noticing this descending megaphone. We have been creating new lower highs as we keep moving to the downside. I have alarms set at my previous highs. If we break to the upside, I think it's go time to short the whole market, right? It just helps you out. And this is our new low at the 4 hours. So if we cross this low, we know it's another confirmation for your longs, right? If it comes down, if the government bonds come down, that means the market goes up. So keep a good eye on the US bonds. Another one is the VIX. I've been charting the VIX, doing my daily trend lines, my highs and my lows. last time that I was playing with the VIX, I noticed this flag, this wedge. I did a measure move to the bottom and it gave me a target of 14.73. And this is actually correlates to a previous low support here from this previous low. And if you look in a smaller time frame, like the 4-hour, I mean, you could see it broke down, retraced, and it's coming back down. So set your alarms, you know, keep a good eye on the, I like the 4-hour. And yeah, go from there. And of course, we can't forget our DXY. So my DXY chart, I have those 3 major yellow lines, and this been a historical resistance, a lot of resistance within this range. All right, so take your time as you're waiting for confirmation. I had some divergence here, but I found this good resistance lines that we're finding support on now, or bouncing off. Right, we've just been bouncing off this resistance line. I mean, now it's support for our price action now. So within here too, I mean, it's so hard. It's been choppy. Initially, I thought it could be a diamond, maybe, right? And if you Google how the diamonds break, if price actions and enters from the top, it usually breaks back to the top. I'm sorry, if it comes down, it'll break up. So it could be a diamond. I could keep chopping it up here till it feels like making its move. What I would do is, using the 4-hour time frame, is marking highs and lows. And when you see it move, this is our low here, this is our high, so this is the range it's been playing with. See if you can find any divergence. And looks like the market is moving right now. Hold on. See how it's moving a little bit up, and then we have the DXY moving a little bit down, you know. So yeah, keep a good eye on it. Our VIX is making a slight move to the downside. You know, this would be, this break of 18.91 would be a good confirmation for our longs. But yeah, so note it, the 10-year bonds, the VIX, the DXY tend to move opposite to cryptocurrency. And don't forget to keep an eye on the NASDAQ, the S&P 100, as they move with cryptocurrency, and sometimes it could provide you that indicator, as sometimes they get that higher high done prior to BTC moving. So that's what I'm keeping an eye on, and that's it. So remember to do everything with love, and I'll see you guys next time.